In this video, we will explore how to insert chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started. Here I open my Microsoft PowerPoint and I'm going to insert chart. Before that, I insert here the one blank slide. To insert the blank slide, go to the Home tab, then click on the New Slides option. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can see here the blank slide available. Just click on it. Here you can see the blank slide is added. Now I am going to insert here the chart. To insert chart, go to the Insert tab. In Illustration group have a chart option. Just click on Add Chart. Here the Insert Chart dialog box is open. In all chart you can see the left hand side the all chart names available. So you can use the line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, map chart. So these are the number of charts available. You can use the any one those you want. So I simply select here the column chart and just click on the first one and click on the OK to insert here. With the chart you can see the one Excel, the Microsoft PowerPoint chart data sheet in Excel is open. Okay, you can edit here the data. Okay, when you edit here the data anywhere, you can see the changes on here. Suppose I enter here the 10. Okay, see the changes on chart. Okay, so this is a way you can add here your own data to create chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. With this chart, the chart design tab and format tab also added here. In chart design you can design your chart with the chart style, with the change colors. You can edit the data. Okay, you can quick layout also change of the chart. Okay, you can add the charts element on chart design. In format have a different option. You can use the format option here on your chart. Okay, so this is a way you can add the chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. You can use this different option. You can see I just click on here the chart style to change my chart style. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.